Okay, bestie. Just give me my money. Yay! Ikaw naman yung isa. Isa ah. Okay. Now, just give me my money. Yay! Ikaw naman. Ikaw na yung first eh. Okay. Kaya mag-aano ah. Just give me my money. Kayo naman. Wala kayo dyan. Mama!